Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Alex and today I'm excited to introduce a project that I have built over a 1 month back. So this project is called a VOLORIAL with a ticker symbol as a wall. So you are seeing here everything is cleanly. So first I want to thank you to everyone who has taken the time to visit our website and read our white paper and provide a feedback. Whether the feedback has positive or critical, it has helped us thinking more careful about how we communicate to our vision. So this video is not about making like a price predictions or asking anyone to invest. Instead, I want to explain why Valorial is exist, what problem we are trying to address, what we have built so far, and where we hope to go in the future. So, why I started this Valorial? When I first became like interested in blockchain technologies, I was amazed by what decentralized system could achieve also. And every blockchain has a unique strength then. And Ethereum has one of the largest developer ecosystems. Let's you can look like here as the Ethereum ecosystem have like largest developers ecosystems. Also, you can look like here. This is like a complete Ethereum ecosystems. The interest that belongs to you, like it's like a global network where you can control your assets and your data and your identities also. And when we would like to look like as a Polygon helps to reduce the transaction cost, but it was in the same of a Ethereum also. And Solana focus is like a high throughput and fast transactions also. However, I also noticed something that many people like experience, like the blockchain ecosystem is like a fragmented. Users often need like a different wallets, different tools, different documentations, and different experience, and depending on which blockchain they are using. Like for people who are new to Web3, this can feels like a overwhelming, like excited. So the observation become a starting point for a Valorial. Like today we are today we have thousands of blockchain projects. Like many of them solve like a specific problems. Like let's consider you have chosen like some other platforms that not going to be ask you any type of gas fees, etc. things. So, but from a user perspective, they are not going to be make like very difficulty ways. So, uh, in user difficulties, like they can face like a much more difficulties when you go for trust wallet. If you want to transfer any type of like you receive uh, like any type of etc things, like you have received any type of tokens or something else, so you may also require irrespective of the coin ecosystem coins also. Like let's consider you have received like Polygon, so in the Polygon also that will reduce some of the cost compared to an Ethereum, but also you just may require something as etc things. So if you receive USDT, so you also, if you want to send out, you just need a Tron. So users may face like this kind of difficulties over there. So different network have different transactions costs also that also burn for a lot of users. And assets are a spread like across a multiple ecosystems. And a security remains like one is the biggest concern in a Web3 wallet. So new users can struggle to understand wallets, tokens, liquidity pools, and smart contracts, everything. So developers also faces like challenges for a supporting like multiple networks. These are like industry-wide challenges, not a problems like unique to any one a blockchain. Rather than viewing like a networks as like a competitor, we believe each one contributes some valuable. So that's why we have choose like a multi-chain direction from the beginning. So we can look like here as we have deployed like in Ethereum, deployed in Polygon, deployed in BNB Smart Chain, and deployed in the Solana. These are the official contract addresses, so everything you're going to be getting out here. So uh, what is actually is Volorial? Volorial is a blockchain ecosystem project with a long-term vision for supporting like multiple blockchain networks. So today Volorial has deployed on Ethereum, Polygon, BNB Smart Chain, and Solana. And launching on multiple networks from the beginning was deliberated, a discussion. So we believe like a user should have a flexibilities in choosing the network that best fits their needs. Different network provides a different advantages, and our goal is to build with the interpretable like a free mindset. They can access the Volorial without like a gas fees. Otherwise, this is in the building as first stage. So in the further, I would like to make it like there is no gas fees for any Volorial systems. But if it comes to like cross chain to one platform to another platform, that mandatory there is like a gas fees that cannot able to bypass in that systems. So it's important to be clear that deploying like across multiple chains is only the first step. Building like a successful ecosystem takes time, consistency, and deployment, development, and community involvement also. What we have built is so far we have completed like several important milestones, like our official website is launched, and communities is available in GitHub and Telegram and X, and some other platforms we have already. So this is like our official X here, as well as let's we would like to try to look it out here as also. Volorial has deployed like multiple supported networks like a Polygon, Ethereum, BNB, and Solana, and liquidity has been established on supported decentralized networks. Like I have put like some other liquidities in the Quickswap for Polygon, and Ethereum for Quickswap, and BNB as a pancake liquidity. Solana is directly in the pump.fund that you can see are there directly. So uh, which we have done. So the milestones does not represent the end of the goal. They represent the foundation we want to establish before like expanding the further also. So looking like ahead, our focus remains on building like responsibly. We are continue to improve the documentation and strengthen community engagement and refine the ecosystem based on the feedback also. As the project evolves, we continue evolving additional utilities and services that align with our long-term vision. Whenever we discuss like a further ideas, we clearly distinguish between what exists today and what remains the part of the roadmap. Our objective is study like progress and transparency and responsible development. So, before I would like to finish, I would like to thank you for everyone who have taken the time to learn about Olorial. So, we would like to also look like here, I would like to try to show in the wallet. So, you can try to connect your wallet address, and you can see here your like Ethereum mainnet or etc. things are active networks or etc. things, as well as when you go for a trade. Let's say you would like to try to look it out here as in the Solana, their prices and etc. things. So you can try to also you can do etc. things from here as a trade. When it go for as a swap, you can see here the exact the Polygon chain. You can see here what is the native Polygon etc. things. The real value is going to be described here. So whether you are visited our website, please try to read the white paper. So let's we would like to try to I would like to try to just go back. So let's try to read the white paper here. You can try to read the white paper in our case. You can look like here as This is like wallet, smart contract, multi-chain, treasury in the governance. Like in the multi-chain, we have like Ethereum, Polygon, BNB, and Solana. Then, first of all, you just read the white paper, then and share like a constructive feedback in our communities, either in uh, X, either in Telegram, either in GitHub. So I would like to show you also in the GitHub. And building a blockchain ecosystem is like a long time journey. So we know there is like still a great deal of work ahead, and we have committed to improve a step by step. And I would like, if you would like to learn more, you can visit to our official website and official this YouTube channel and X platform. I would like to try to post each and every video. And you can also flow on our X and projects on GitHub like VOLORIAL. You can look like here. So in the VOLORIAL, also you can look here. So this is like I just deployed. Everything is like a clear, etc. things here. As a liquidities is already added, etc. things. So you can also observe everything here as a clearly here. So also please be active in the X communities and you can follow up. I would like to post etc. things also. So soon I'm going to giving you as a airdrop. So thank you again for watching, and I would like to look forward for sharing more progress with the Olorial and continues to evolve. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.